Hey guys, welcome back to Tata Reviews. Today in this video I'm going to review a tool called Instawrapper, a tool that can convert old boring videos into highly engaging videos, increasing conversion and sales. Instawrapper is launching on the 23rd of June, and there is going to be a webinar that shows a secret strategy known only by online gurus and influencers. So if you are really interested, you can register down. There will be a link in the description if you're interested in the webinar that is coming up on the 23rd of June. So moving forward to the main review, what exactly is Instawrapper? Can it increase your video's engagement? Does this really work? You will know by the end of this video. So Instawrapper is a cutting-edge video tech that converts any video into a conversion machine. You can make up to 500% more sales from your old videos by applying a magic fix known only to top marketers and influencers. Instawrappers will draw more attention to your videos, leading into more engagement and getting you more profits and sales. You can get access to Instawrapper in the link in the description. Buying through the link in the description will give you access to free bonuses that were provided by me. All you need to do is provide a payment of purchase, screenshot of payment of purchase at my DM on Instagram, and you'll be getting access to your free bonuses at little or no time. So moving forward, let us see some of the features of Instawrapper. You'll be able to create 100 attention grabbing videos. You'll also be getting done for you wrapper templates that get you all the eyeballs. Templates that are ready for you to be easily used to attract people to watch your videos. You'll be able to create any length of videos really fast. It also provides progress bars and countdown timers to max your conversions. And you'll also be able to add your branding and customize the looks of your videos. You'll be able to import videos from multiple sources at lightning speed without any delay. And it also includes commercial licenses to sell rapper style videos for top dollar. You all really need to check out Instawrapper because it is really a game changer and it really helps you to captivate more of your audiences right there. So let us see how it works in 4 simple steps. And step 1, all you have to do is upload your video when you've logged in, seeing your dashboard as you've seen the picture right here. Step 2, after you've uploaded your video, you can now choose from one of all these beautiful templates out there. Step 3, you can optionally choose the automated captions or you create one of your own. Captions are always sometimes related to the videos you've uploaded. And step 4, all you need to do is share your videos and start profiting, getting those engagements and getting those sales. So with Instawrapper, you'll be able to get more engagement on your videos, be able to stand out in the crowd, be able to keep your audience captivated. You'll be able to create urgency, be able to leave viewers to take action, and you save time on complicated tools and also bring down your advertisement costs. So you also notice that Instawrapper comes in various ratios, meaning it doesn't limit you to only YouTube videos or only Facebook videos. It has various variations on how you can customize your wrappers to fit in and keep it captivating and more appealing to your audience, so that you'll be able to get more engagement and you'll also be profiting from your videos. So let us also see how you can profit from Instawrapper. One way is being a local market superhero. So all you have to do is reach out to local restaurants, salons, dentists, gyms, etc. and show them a sample of one of your beautiful designs from your portfolio and ask them if they have a video you can optimize an example. So when they see the difference in how it looks, you'll be able to sell your service to them and just watch the cash flow. A second way you can profit from Instawrapper is hiring is section inside Craigslist and Warrior Forum and other forums, because hundreds of jobs are posted daily on platforms like Craigslist and forums where buyers are ready to pay immediately for your services. Third way is showing off your videos on Facebook groups, Pinterest, SlideShare, and Reddit, because thousands of videos are also present looking for serious help with their business. Fourth way, which is one of my favorite, is selling gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. We all know that sites like this are flooded with business owners and they need marketing help. So all you need to do is list your services and start getting your orders. And fifth way is selling using market pressure. So we've seen all the wonderful really ways on how Instawrapper can help you make money, can help you make really good videos, can help you make captivating videos, and also get you profits and sales at the same time. So if you are looking into getting Instawrapper, there's a launch special included commercial license only if you take action right now, all for a low one-time fee, and it also comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the product, you can always get your money back 100%. So this is how it costs for the starter and the elite price. For the starter, you get it for $32, and for the elite price, you get it for $34. So this is my review on Instawrapper, and I'm very sure you're convinced that Instawrapper is really good if you want to get those sales and engagements coming in. Thank you for watching. See you next time.